Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Alex Balingit of Trading Circle. Sa video naman na to, pag-uusapan natin ang my 5 biggest aha in trading. Let's talk about Holy Grail strategy. Panimula pa lang ng video na to, babasagin ko na yung pinaniniwalaan yung may Holy Grail ba kay Forex dahil wala po. Number 2, aha ko. Traders have other sources of income. Aasa sila na, magbabago na yung buhay ko kapag natutunan ko si Forex. In 2 months, in 1 month, magkakaroon na ako ng 1 million. Well, hindi po kasi ganun eh. Ang ending, ikikwit nila yung trabaho nila. Tapos magpo-focus kay Forex, nahirapan kay Forex. Tapos ngayon, mawawala na ng belief kay Forex. Kaya nasisira yung image ni Forex eh. And number 3, aha ko, you do not have to win every day. Kahit 40% or 50% win rate, okay lang po. Basta mataas ang risk-reward ratio mo. Okay? So, you do not have to win every day. Forex market is unique. Lagi nyo tandaan, the movement of Forex market from one another, it's always unique. Number 5, it takes money to make money. The bigger the capital you have, of course, the higher and the wider the allowance for failures para sa isang trader.